Good morning and welcome to the channel. We're going to show today how to transfer my cases and trace to CASEFILL. In order to do that, in the file called examples inside the KPAC program, you will find this Excel. The only thing you need to do is to type the dimensions, inside dimensions and outside dimensions of each of the cases, and follow the keys for the case types. So if it is RSC or B1 as we call it in other countries, you type 1. So you can see here in millimeters kilos that we type 111. The second thing you need to do is to type the name of the database that you previously has created in KPAC and the number of products you want to export, of transfer, number of cases you want to transfer to CASEFILL. Then you open KPAC. In this case, I'm going to open KPAC 20. You need to go to the CASEFILL group down here, click and go. You go to database, you create a database, and you call it, for example, Almiral. Then, after that, you need to close completely the program, and click on this button, click here to transfer cases trace to CASEFILL database. The program will open automatically, and it will transfer all these cases to that database. Just in case you have duplicates, you can purge the duplicates, and then you have all the records that you export, all the cases, and you can see exactly the same figures here. Then, after that, you want to place a package with these sizes inside the whole group in the database, I mean these 6 records. Then you calculate, and sorry for that, you calculate, and then you have all the solutions. Then you need to choose which is the right one. Also, you can, in the tools, you can palletize it and calculate. When you put a height, then you can calculate and save it. So this is the way to do it very quickly, to send all your cases to display palette to CASEFILL, to CASEFILL in KPAC. Thank you.